Hello everyone, I'm Pam and welcome to Sunkissed Diary. Today I'm going to show you our garden. It just got done raining and my plants are loving it. Look at them. These are my okra. So I planted some okra here to this side. Then I have my yellow squash and another squash, yellow squash. And some more squash, and on to the other side, these the one that you see into the trellis are the long beans. Oh my gosh, first time I'm seeing some flowers coming out. This is gonna be so exciting. Oh, look at the gabi coming out. And these are my eggplants. Look, this is the ichiban and some more, and look at them. See how they're growing. And this is the cilantro lettuce with bitter melon ampalaya, so they're coming up. Some more eggplants. These are my beans, bush beans, and they have a lot of tiny flowers. My kangkong and some more bitter melon. Tomatoes. I forgot what variety is this, but here are my long beans. Look, and I just planted some peppers as well. I started those peppers from seeds. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. These are the Roma tomatoes. Here are some more long beans. So from there to there, long beans. Here are my cherry tomatoes. Actually, these are volunteers. I just replanted them. These are the volunteers. They came from here. You can see this is my asparagus bed, and look at the volunteers coming out. So there's more in there. Here are my green peas, sugar snap peas I mean. So I really need to harvest. My palang, sponge, what do you call the ones? The gourd, loofah, and we call them patola. So those are the loofahs. Here are my spinach and Malabar spinach with a little bit of carrots. Here's some more of my malunggay and carrots. Sunflower, also pretty. Swiss chard. Some more different kind of pepper and bitter melon climbing. Potatoes with this is my potato bed with my eggplants. Look at these eggplants.